What's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a little update on where I'm at with my trading and how everything's been going. As you can see, I took this sell here. It was on the 1 minute. I explained it earlier. We're in a macro. We swept buy side. We had nice market structure shift after the inverse. This was a very obvious gap that was inversed. I sold here. Bad entry. I entered on this candle. Should have entered here. Um, Sold. Took some partials here. Took some more partials here. Intermediate term low on the buy side of the curve is going to get swept on the sell side. So it was a little market maker sell model right here. Right now I'm just tape reading this 2 minute IFEG here. I am bullish here on the day just because London high. And also I believe we're in a 4 hour. So tap the 4 hour fair value gap. So should see higher prices here. Really depends. Earlier this morning, took another IFEG here, another IFEG here. Pretty simple, waiting for the macros. Those were macros as well. Those were just different macros. So these four macros are the high probability ones that I'm kind of implementing in my trading. And then there is obviously other macros here. Probably looks like a lot, but there's all these little macros that price is really efficient. And if you know the draw on liquidity and get a good setup, it'll run pretty good. So I don't believe we're in a macro right now. So yeah. So see this setup. I wouldn't take this setup just because we're not in a macro, and also because we didn't inverse this last gap up here. So that's holding price down. Um, so in terms of where I've been at with my trading, so I've been working with OFP. You know what? I don't want to get my personal stuff on here. So I had a 25K Forex account. Um, Made like 5.5% last week on it. Um, So I'm due like a $1,500 payout here in the next couple weeks. They did flag my account for martingale trading, but it's because I size up on certain trades and size down on lower probability trades. I'm really hoping they pay me out because I've already had a problem. I had a problem with Apex not paying me out for strategy issues as well. These companies really seem like they just don't want to pay out a lot of the times. They try to find any little reason. But I need to I need to jump back into futures this morning. You can see I was paper trading. The reason is because I was scalping IFEGs like this during macros on Bitcoin. I found a lot of success with that. I mean, Bitcoin moves pretty much the same as Nasdaq, probably more volatility in my opinion. But Nasdaq's cleaner. I like the no spread on futures, and I need to jump back in. So I'm gonna get a futures account here shortly and hopefully not have any problems with payouts like I did with Apex and like I might have with this Forex company. So little speed bumps in the road with these companies not paying and these companies withholding my money that I worked super hard for. But I just got to keep moving forward, get a futures account, do everything all over. Today on paper trade, it was shoot, what it we it's just paper, but we made 1,300 today. So I replicate the same thing on a live account. It's nothing that's not replicatable, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, very cookie cutter approach. Um, I'm looking for a macro. I'm looking for IFPGs. Same thing I was doing back then. The only thing I added now is the macro, and I've really found a lot of success with it. That's how I got to a payout. I got to a 5.5% payout in a week. When I request my withdrawal, I'll make a video on that later. But I was trying to follow Sir Pickle. I was trying to trade IRL to ERL, and it was good that I learned IRL to ERL. But with how much success I had with Dodge's IFEG strategy, it really made no sense for me to start like changing things up. So I did that for a couple of weeks, probably stunted my growth. Just not good to, if you have something set in stone, if you're confident in something, like just stick to it. Don't switch it up even though it works. And you know what? I did carry over IRL to ERL into how I trade now, which is good. Like I'm not like over here adding a million concepts, but IRL to ERL is the main two reasons price moves. So since I learned that and I didn't know that before, now it's good because I know where the market maker models are going to form. I know where the drawn liquidity is a lot easier because of that. So that's just an update on where I'm at. Things are good. Working a new job, still working nights, trying to get some sleep in here and there. I've been up all night, staring at the market since I got home at 6 a.m. So yeah, I'll be posting more in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, thank you for tuning in and God bless you in the next one.